Yo, yo, what's up, world? Today I'm in Ubud and I'm gonna show you the Jalan Bisma. I'm just next to the bridge, and this bridge is already finished and bottom of the Jalan Bisma. So basically, you cannot cross this bridge by the car. I mean, the bridge yes, but the road after that not. And this is the already Villa Sonia. Unfortunately, restaurant is closed. The hotel itself, villa, is open, but the restaurant is closed. And I do special request today for the Stephen, Lucy, and somebody else, few other people who really miss Jalan Bisma. Today's vlog will be a little bit longer because this road over there, it's about 1.5 kilometers long. So I'm so sorry if it will be too long for you. However, for everyone who are missing this place and are interested to see the Jalan Bisma, please enjoy. So Jalan Bisma starts over there, where is the bridge where I start the video, and right here is already the main street of Jalan Bisma, where is so many hotels, boutique hotels, villas, guest houses, restaurants, and stuff like this. This is like a second Jalan Monkey Forest, but much more cozy with the different kind of businesses. Little bit. That's how it look like. Alright, so starting at the bottom, Cempaka Warung, Bisma 8 Villas. Bisma 8 Villas, unfortunately closed, and also there are some villas. Anyway, that's how it look like. It's pretty quiet over here at the beginning. Alright, another one is Taste of Ubud, Shida, something like that, under construction, or is closed. And here, Kamala Resort, things open. She's some look up here. Yo, what's up? And some small warung over here. Villa Shida, unfortunately closed. They put this fence as looks like it's under construction, but it's actually closed. And so this is the beginning of the Jalan Bisma. Here down there is some warung or local people living there. I'm not sure if somebody living there, but looks like they are chickens over there. Here we go. Anyway, that's the another. Here's supposed to be warung. It's still closed, and here is the names of the businesses. And somebody have a beautiful BMW car. I don't like BMW actually, to be honest. Even I'm from Europe. I'm so sorry. However, that's how it looks like. They have some people here doing something. Nice trees, some statue. Oh good. Anyway, seems like this is the first boutique what is open right now here, and first business except some villa and hotel what is open. For everyone who are new on this channel or new about the Jalan Bisma, this is like a second Jalan Monkey Forest, very famous street about some more cozy hotels, restaurants, little bit newer, modern. However, everybody asked me to make a vlog here, but unfortunately almost everything is closed here. Actually, I make a vlog here already once driving my motorbike in the video of raining in Ubud, if you are familiar. Some of you watched this, that was like half year ago. Spa shop closed, and I was showing this area actually, but yeah, never worked. But today is the day. I hope so you enjoyed. You will enjoy. But yeah, meanwhile, I just try to show you, don't move the camera too fast. But almost everything is closed. However, here is some new investigation, new construction. We will see what it's gonna be. And yeah, Balinese massage. I don't know where it's open. Oh yeah, it's open 1 till 5. It's actually 5:15 right now. If somebody will be interested, what time is it? Putri Ubud Spa 2. I don't know. That's how it look like. Here is some small hotel, Putri Ayu Cottages. Seems closed. I think so. That's how it look like. Yeah, here is supposed to be a restaurant. Per TV Bisma 2 closed. And here, Ubud Spa. They have a laundry right now in the spa of building. And fresh box, some tours. That's how it looked like per TV Bisma 2. Of course, I'm making this vlog for the request for everyone who are missing this area. I hope so you enjoyed. Comment below. I do it for you, for everyone who are interested about Ubud and never saw this street. It's also very interesting for you. However, I'm a little bit disappointed because it's so quiet and almost everything is closed. I mean, maybe not disappointed because I was expecting that actually. That's also maybe the reason why I don't much come here, because it's just sad to walk here. And also development of this area was the beautiful rice fields, and now is the very long lane of the villas and hotels, which is kind of sad, but that's how it is developed quite well. And here's the Adiwana Ubud, quite famous place, and Adiwana group is actually open. They have a few restaurants in Ubud, hotels and restaurants. As you see, it's open. Adiwana Bisma, which is really not so bad. That's not paid endorsement for Adiwana, however, that's how it looked like. And that's how it looks, the situation. Here is some local warung. I hope so there will be some people. Here we go. That's how it looked like. A few bikes. Bisma Trans. Here some building. Seems like they finished building this before current situation and is abandoned. Hello, how are you? Maybe later, yeah? Thank you. Some taxi driver looking. That's actually nice. Here we go. Here's supposed to be Ubud Rice Field House. Something like that. This area actually looks like a little bit from the movie, you know what I mean? It's like it was the very well developed area of Ubud, where so many constructions and new building every single month, basically, because this road here everywhere in the normal conditions was as busy as was sometimes even difficult to pass it by car because of so many cars, so many people walking. But right now it's just like stuck in the moment again. Like not much is happening. There are so many buildings everywhere around. What is just left over for, I don't know, for who and for what. Here is some new building, some kind of spa, whatever. Here's something closed. Here is some Porja coffee. Seems like open. Okay, that's a good sign. At least something. There is some guy, tourists, Ubudians. Yo, what's up, Dogo? How are you doing? Keeping well, I hope so. Whew, it's so hot, by the way, in Bali. Okay, Komaneka Bisma. I'm not sure if it's open or closed. It's no security and not much is happening around. But yeah, that's how it looks like here. Pre-TV hotel, auto cafe, motorcycle and coffee. Very famous place. Used to be with the custom motorbikes and everything. I remember this place was so busy actually, and it's totally closed, and they even take off everything, including the motorbikes, decorations, Vespas. We are closed from 26 March 2020. So sad. Check this out inside. Alright, that's how it looks like, the Jalan Bisma. A lot of abundant things around actually. Pretty sad for me to walk here and showing you that. Making this vlog is quite sad for me, to be honest. Okay, something here is open. Goya Boutique Resort. And here we go. Here is the Senya Bar and Restaurant. Or Goya. Goya, Senya. I think they are two brands in one place. And I think this is open or closed. I'm not sure really. Maybe open. For butters for only 210k plus. That's actually quite expensive for current conditions. But yeah, business is business. They have to keep paying the bills and the workers. Wow, it's so quiet. Whew, really quiet. Okay, Warung Bismaya Restaurant Grill and Puri Bayou 2 Cottage. This one seems open. Okay, what's up, Dogo? That's how it look like. Okay, here supposed to be something new, some new building restaurant under construction right now. Or spa. I'm not sure because it's here Nick Spa. Looks fancy and looks like it's the some development outgoing right now. So we will see in the near future. However, that's how it looks like. It's quiet like in Legion, I could say. Yeah, here's the Bisma 8 Copa kitchen rooftop, bar and rooftop. I think it's closed because this just looks like nobody taking care of it for longer while. Pretty sure it's closed. Adi Bisma Inn. Right. Everything looks super quiet here. This, I don't know what is a building over here. Danaya's Cottage and Bisma 68 who would the contract, and that's mean as this is for rent. Wow, here Lemongrass Bisma Warung abundant, including the car. Can you imagine that? That's just simply unbelievable. Wow, it's just sad. Nick's Hidden Cottage. You go there by the small path. Here somebody have a Wuling from Jakarta. Somebody asked me how I know as this car is coming from Jakarta because of B. Bali have DK, Jakarta have B, Surabaya have L, and so on. Every city in Java or any other island of Indonesia have a different number of registration. Whew. Alam Tile's cottages. I'm not sure if it's open. Abandoned car. Any company here is almost abandoned, including the shop, including the market. Some people selling nasi jingo here. That's how it looks like. Peaceful life. There supposed to be some restaurant they transform into the billiard for local people and some warung. This actually looks cool for local. Nice. Pretty cool. But they are busy. Guys sleeping. Not gonna disturb them. That's the local people probably take off the non-paid building because everything here is for rent, over contract, abundant. Just simply, literally, everything is... Wow, unbelievable, Black Pearl. Wow, that's how it looked like. Right, Bitzel Coffee. So basically, except the Adiwana and maybe some other hotel, I didn't saw anything open. One restaurant was open, and this one is actually Shamana Mama restaurant open. They do some live stream, I think. Some local people. Oh yeah, they have some sort of meeting. Not gonna disturb them. Buchu view or Buchu, magical hidden, but everything here is hidden, and I could say everything here is abundant also. I don't wanna be sarcastic, but that's how it looked like. And here something used to be a big construction of probably big hotel, but left over, unfortunately. Some people here. Alright, it's really not so good as dogs barking at me already. Yo, what's up? That's what it looked like. Third car today, and I'm already over the halfway of today's walk. Ni Warung Bisma Street, Ubud, Bali. Everything here is literally closed. Okay, Circle K is open. That's actually alright, not so bad. Owl House Cafe, co-working, plant-based diet. Closed. Everything here just literally closed, and so many abandoned buildings. This is actually older already, not just due to the current situation, but well, I hope so. All the street not gonna look like this in the few years. It's nothing gonna change. Puri Bisma Ubud. Big locker on the gate, as you see, and some paper as it's closed. Wow. Alright, I'm slowly losing the what I should say. It's just sad. I just wanna little bit you to enjoy the silence, the sound of silence that's going on here, because this is the experience. What if you're not gonna come, you will not feel this. It's hard to describe. You have to trust me. It's really hard to describe. Taco Fiesta open. Okay, that's cool, but empty. But yeah, at least something. Oh, sorry, I shake the camera a little bit. Alright, that's how it looks like. Every business here. I'm already more than halfway, about 800, 900 meters behind me. Every restaurant here, everything is just simply closed. Nick Pension. Okay, this one may be open. No, I don't think so, unfortunately. No, everything is just left over. It's so sad, guys, really sad. Hey, it's so hot, by the way. Alright, that's how it looks. The guy is working here with them. Some sort of husky dog, I think. Yo, what's up? Nice dog. Oh. Alright, that's how it looks, the situation. Maybe at the top of the Jalan Bisma will be some more life. Will be some businesses open, some restaurants, some hotels. I'm not sure, but maybe. Here we go. Nice entrance to the house. Actually, that's a guest house, I think. And a nice shop. Fortunately closed, as everything. And this is Julie house, Jalan Bisma. I don't know what is it. Looks nice. But seems like it's closed anyway. ATM. By the way, quite be careful with the ATMs like this if you are coming here, because it's very easy to play with it from some random people. Better go to the bank. By the way, very beautiful gate. Closed. Right, that's how it looks like. Here is some Ladera Villa and restaurant. Okay, this one seems open but closed at the same time. Hard to describe. Maybe just somebody cleaning this to keep it running. Some guy. Honeymoon guest house. Right. Honeymoon guest house, and there are 2 bikes inside, so maybe they are open. I'm not sure. Here is the Lily Spa. Definitely closed. Definitely. As you see. Beer something. Bar and kitchen closed. Alright. Everything literally everything here is closed. There are some guest houses, small villas, houses over there. There is the name and small path like this, only for motorbikes. But well, that's how it look like. Here is the Guardian Pharmacy. I'm just curious as who is buying here anything. This is actually quite expensive pharmacy and on the middle of the closed street. But yeah, maybe they have a just different budget to keep it open. And well, pharmacy is always pharmacy if you needed something during the emergency, right? Alright, here is supposed to be something. I don't know what's the name. The name is missing. That's how it looks, the situation. So many owners of these places, they even left the cars like this. I don't really know why. But that's so sad. Tropical Warung. Yo, what's up? The guy a little bit shy. It's okay. No problem. Not so many tourists here. Here is some construction. Gluten-free. Many places also here was for the typically Ubud people who are thinking about very healthy food, eating plant-based, vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and I don't know what else free. food, but that doesn't gonna work if the people are not here. And this place is closed. Okay, here is the most bright place. Why not? Actually looks pretty cool. Hello. It's open. That's cool. That's something, at least. Very happy to see that. Because everything around is closed. And here, Café des Artistes. Seems French. Also seems open. Well, this is already almost the end of the street, so it will be different. Hello, how are you? Very nice guy. Here, Samuel Jian. A lot of foreigner businesses here, by the way. And yes, at the front is already the end of the Jalan Bisma, or the beginning, depends if you're coming from the art market Ubud Center. That will be the beginning. So actually, as I was expecting, the two restaurants was open, and that's it. But anyway, I will go to the edge to show you. That's how it looked like. I'm so sorry guys if you're expecting something different, but you know me, and if you don't know me, I always showing how's it without tuning up. If it's empty, it's empty. If it's busy, it's busy. I will just show you. Alright guys, that's how it looks, the bottom or top entrance or exit to the Jalan Bisma in Ubud. I'm standing next to some hotel, unfortunately also closed. I hope so you enjoyed. That was the comprehensive review of Jalan Bisma in Ubud. Special request for you guys and for everyone who are familiar missing this place and everyone who is new on this channel and stay till this moment. I would like to say thank you so much for watching. Consider to subscribe. We do daily vlogs from Bali, the real one. Alright, I will go home. I feel so sweaty already. I need to grab some taxi and shoot tomorrow like always. Thank you so much. See ya, take care.